morning, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. I am ready to start my day. And I have my little babe coffee mug because yes, I need to remind myself every day that I am a babe and that I can do whatever I want to do. And I want to share that inspiration with all of you ladies out there. I know it's super difficult nowadays being a female in today's society. We have so many things on our plates, from family to careers to managing our household. So today I wanted to take you through some of the ways in which I manage my busy life. And it's not easy, as many of you know. I have multiple careers. I am a mom of 2 daughters that are now 20 and 22, which is absolutely crazy to me. I also have 3 little puppies, and I recently moved, so lots on my plate. I'm getting my house in order, but I do have some strategies that help me feel prepared, less stressed out, and I wanted to share them with you today. So we're gonna go up to my bedroom, and I'm gonna start with my first tip to help you manage your busy, crazy life. Okay, so we're gonna get ready, and the first thing I always do is the night before I get prepared for the next day. And I find that super helpful because you never know what the morning is going to bring, and it's the worst to feel rushed in the morning. So today I'm going to the gym, of course, but I have to run some errands first. So you can see I have my gym bag always ready to go, and then I have the clothes I'll be wearing for my errands, and of course my workout set, and cannot forget my jump rope. By the way, I have to share with you that I have recently found some underwear that I am completely obsessed with, and I have to share them with you. It is the Fits Everybody collection from Skims. So my daughters introduced me to Skims a while ago, and I do have a few of their pieces, which I love, by the way. I absolutely love these because let me tell you, I have tried every single bra on the market. I do not like underwire. I do not like flimsy bras that do not support me. I like to be super comfortable. I'm busy and I don't want to feel my underwear and be uncomfortable during the day. So I'm going to give you a little peek. I happen to have them on. So I wanted to show it to you. This is the Scoop bralette in onyx, and these are the cheeky briefs in onyx. And I love them because they have a supportive band on the bottom, but they literally feel like skin. They are so soft, and I do not feel like I'm wearing anything. I also have them in sand. So here's a closer look. You can see how cute. It has just enough coverage in the back. And then I really love the fact also that it has the adjustable strap. Sometimes I have difficulty finding things that fit me. So click the link in the description to check out the Fits Everybody collection, available in sizes extra, extra small to 4X. After you place your order, make sure you let them know that I sent you. Choose YouTube and then select my channel from the drop-down menu. Okay guys, so heading out for the day, my next tip is to be organized about your meals, and I find that very, very helpful. Baby likes when I do my meal planning on Sundays because it makes me have more time with her during the week, right baby? Baby will be 1 year old in a few weeks. So you can see behind me, I have some of the things I've prepared for the week. And I like to do this on Sundays. It could be any day of the week, obviously, but just find a time where you can put some healthy choices together. Tupperware is your best friend. And then I also like to have on-the-go snacks. So right here, almonds are a great source of protein. Usually after the gym, I will skip a protein shake and I will do a banana and some almonds because I prefer to have food. And then also I love to have sweet potato fries, great source of carbs, but also super healthy for you, and you cannot go wrong with chicken. So definitely meal prep as you can, and it will save you so much time during the week. Okay, so my last tip, which is so important, is to keep a schedule. Use a calendar. I was really surprised when I asked people, when I asked my friends how many of them use a calendar, and many of them said that they don't. So I've been using a calendar forever. I started out by using a paper organizer. I had one of those notebooks where I would write my notes, my calendaring in, and now I use my phone, and I love using my phone because I have it with me everywhere. So for example, if I go to a doctor and I need a follow-up, then I can just put it right in my phone. It is super easy. But let me tell you why scheduling is so important. Okay, I do want to acknowledge it takes time, but it is worth the time. So what I like to do is I like to pretty much schedule as much as I can in my phone to make sure that I get in and do what I have to do, including my workouts. I will also mention that these plans often change as life often changes, but it's really good to have a plan, and then you can adjust your plan as appropriate. Before, I was very vigilant about using a scheduler. I noticed that my workouts were going missed because sometimes things would come up during the day. But now that I've been using this on a consistent basis, if I miss a workout, I just move it to a different day or a different week if that week is so busy. It also helps me keep track of all the things I have to do. Those could include things for my home, for my kids, for my family, for work, people I have to follow up with. And what I really love about it is it takes all of that busyness out of my brain and it puts it somewhere where I can rely on it, so it clears up the space I have in my head, which I think having a quiet mind is so important. So I encourage you all to do some sort of scheduling in whatever way you feel works best for you. So I know these are simple tips, but maybe they turned on a light bulb in your head. I hope that they were things that maybe you have thought about, just hadn't had the motivation to do. You see how they've been helpful to me, and that encourages you. I hope that if you have any tips, you put them in the comments, because I like to learn also, and I know all of my subscribers like to share one another, so that would be wonderful. Make sure also to share the video if you know anybody that would benefit from the information. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember, busy is good, but we also have to manage our time effectively because quality work-life balance is also so important. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all soon.